Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Indirect, and I hope all you are doing well. And then today I would like to talk about the direct and indirect speech, which means reported speech. Just prepared this lesson upon one of our followers here, and I hope it's going to be a very helpful lesson for Turkish learners. I'm just trying to do my best, I think so. And let's see now. The title for this topic today is here, Doğrudan ve Dolaylı Anlatım. Let me repeat one more time. Doğrudan ve Dolaylı Anlatım. Let's see the speech forms first of all when you do indirect or reported speech in Turkish. As you know, on the left you see these are the phrases that you say in English. So in Turkish we say o blah 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 dedi. Or he told me that o bana blah 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 anlattı. Well, as you see, these three dots are the sentences that the reported sentence will be put in between. All right, so this is the way that how you can say or have conversations in Turkish. I hope it's good for you now. Let me repeat one more time for you. O dedi. O bana anlattı. All right, now let's see here a few examples that I will be working on today in different forms, how we use in positives, questions, negatives, and imperative forms. I will just try to highlight them as much as I can possibly here actually. As you see here on the left, English examples, and on the right, Turkish ones. So let me say first of all these Turkish examples. Çalışıyorum, çalışıyorum, çalışıyorum. O burada mı? O burada mı? Nerelisin? Nerelisin? Buraya gel. Buraya gel. Buraya gelme. Buraya gelme. Buraya gelme. These examples at the moment which you see here on the screen are direct speech examples. So these are the examples that directly you hear from the speaker that you are talking to. Alright, so these are direct speech which is doğrudan anlatım in Turkish. Doğrudan anlatım. Now let's work on three different examples of one sentence here which is I am working. In Turkish we say for this çalışıyorum, çalışıyorum, çalışıyorum. On the left, you see here direct speech, which is, you hear from the real speaker directly without any reporting. On the right, you will see the examples of reported speech, how we make in Turkish. I just trying to write down English and Turkish ones as well. That will help you learn and see the differences easily. I hope this slide is okay for you. Now let's see here. First example. Ben çalışıyorum. Direct speech. Doğrudan anlatım. Ben çalışıyorum. When you make this indirect or reported speech, we use like this. O çalıştığını söyledi. O çalıştığını söyledi. I think this is the same way as you can see in English, which means you change one tense back in sentences of English as well. For example, in present tense here, use present continuous. Use here in reported speech, past continuous tense. Okay, this is how it works in Turkish as well. Let's see here, negative one. Ben çalışmıyorum. Ben çalışmıyorum. And in reported speech, we use like this. O çalışmadığını söyledi. O çalışmadığını söyledi. As you see here, we have the word of negative, which is ma, which means not working, wasn't working. O çalışmadığını söyledi. All right, be careful when you use this reported speech. And the question form here is, çalışıyor muyum? Am I working? Çalışıyor muyum? And when you ask this in a reported speech in Turkish, we ask like this. O çalışıp çalışmadığını sordu. O çalışıp çalışmadığını sordu. This is how we use in Turkish. You know what, if I were you, first of all, I just try to learn one or memorize one example in different forms, like positive, negative, and question forms, then go on with other examples which make it easy for you to use it correctly as possible. Now let's see other examples here in the question form. In here, direct speech, which is he here? O burada mı? This is direct speech. O burada mı? So when we make this indirect speech, which is reported speech, in English, as you see, this is the example. In Turkish, we say o, onun burada olup olmadığını sordu. Sordu means asked. O, onun, which means he. O, onun burada olup olmadığını sordu. Actually, you can say here there too, or you can say here in Turkish orada, or you can say burada. Depends on the concept and context in the dialogues that you have. O, onun burada olup olmadığını sordu. Now let's see here the question example with the question words, which means where are you from? In Turkish we say nerelisin, nerelisin. This is the direct form, as I said. So indirect is like this. We say in Turkish, o benim nereli olduğumu sordu. O benim nereli olduğumu sordu. Actually, you can also say he asked me, which means I can put here bana. O bana benim nereli olduğumu sordu. Okay, this is the way that how you can make examples in question forms with question words in Turkish. I hope this I'm just trying to do as easy and simple as possible for you. I hope these simple examples help you learn the structure and the pattern, how we make the sentences in Turkish in reported speech. Let's see other example, which is the command form, imperatives. Come here, which is a very simple example. In Turkish we say buraya gel, buraya gel, buraya gel. So when we make it indirect, this is the example in English. As you see here, in Turkish, o bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. Look at this, the last word, which is the verb in Turkish. Söyledi means told. O bana söyledi. This is the phrase that we use in Turkish as well. O bana blah 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 söyledi. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. Oraya gelmemi söyledi. Well, to be honest, this is to come and gelmemi, which is very easy. If you just learn this form, which is gelmemi or to come, this is the way that how we use. Also, you can say, I don't know, if you say go, to go, you can say gitmemi. So here, if this is the person that's you who does this, so you can say here, this is the example, memi mama. Okay, memi mama. So this is the memi, or you can say put here a letter in English, mama. So this is how it works in Turkish with reported speech. Let me repeat one more time. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. Let's say here in the negative form in imperatives, how we use this. Buraya gelme. This is the direct speech, how you can see the example here on the top on the right. Buraya gelme. Gelme means the negative word that how we use in Turkish. So when you make it indirect speech, which is reported, so we use here like this. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. So when we make this negatives for yourself, which is I, so we use here first me. If there's a negative word, you have to use the negative word as well. Me after the verb, based form of the verb itself. Okay, oraya gelme. That means don't come there. But if you make it a reported speech, as I said, you have to put this memi. Okay, for you, which is I, personal pronoun that you can say in Turkish. Let me repeat one more time. I hope here I am not confusing you with these examples and explanations. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. Alright, so let's see this example in summary part, how we say in reported speech. All these examples here is reported speech, which is indirect speech, okay? Alright, let's see now here. O çalıştığını söyledi. O çalıştığını söyledi. O onun burada olup olmadığını sordu. O onun burada olup olmadığını sordu. O benim nereli olduğumu sordu. O benim nereli olduğumu sordu. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. O bana oraya gelmememi söyledi. O bana oraya gelmememi söyledi. Okay, one more time I would like to use these examples in a bit fast pace. Let's see how it works. If you want to repeat it after me. O çalıştığını söyledi. O onun burada olup olmadığını sordu. O benim nereli olduğumu sordu. O bana oraya gelmemi söyledi. O bana oraya gelmememi söyledi. Alright, this is the end of our lesson in direct and indirect speech in Turkish. I hope it's been a helpful lesson for you. If you guys have any questions or comments, don't forget to do this. And please don't forget to subscribe and like our lessons as well. Thank you very much for your time and interest here with me. Bye for now.